Good morning, students. So we are going through the topic asexual mode of reproduction. In this topic we studied about the fission, we studied about the budding, fragmentation, regeneration, vegetative propagation. In vegetative propagation, in the last class I taught you about the natural vegetative propagation and artificial vegetative propagation, and then we discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of vegetative propagation. So the last topic of asexual mode of reproduction is the spore formation. Spore formation is also called as sporulation. Sporulation, spores are the minute unicellular structures, have the dual function. They are responsible for dispersal as well as for the reproduction. They are motile in some aquatic forms, like you can see in the eulothrix. Eulothrix is nothing but that is the green alga. There the spores are in the motile form. Now we will see the example, that is the rhizopus, that is in bread mold. How do they appear? This is the structure of rhizopus, or you can say the bread mold. It will appear on the exposed moist state when the bread is in exposed moist state. Because of its spores, the rhizopus consists of the mycelium. Okay, so rhizopus bears mycelium. Myceliums differentiated to form hyphae. Hyphae are the thread-like structure. These are the hyphae, or you can say the thread-like structure. These are the hyphae. Okay, so this mycelium consists or differentiated into the rhizoidal hyphae. These are the thread-like structure. This is called as rhizoidal hyphae, and this is called as sporangiophores. This is the stalk-like structure. This is a stalk-like structure. Okay, so this hyphae is called as sporangiophores, whereas this hyphae is called as rhizoidal hyphae. Now we will see that each sporangiophores bears the sporangium, the blob-like structure. Here, this is the sporangium is a blob-like structure. This is a blob-like structure. So each sporangiophores bears a blob-like structure that is called as sporangium. This sporangium is very thick-walled, that they can survive in the extreme, or you can say the extreme climatic condition, or you can say the extreme adverse condition. So these bulbs are very thick-walled. Okay. So as the spores mature, inside the sporangium, spores are present. When the spores get mature, this thick wall, or you can say the thick wall of the sporangium ruptures and they burst, and the spores get open. When it get open, the spores get out of it, and when the spores get in contact with the moist substratum, it will again regenerate into the new mycelium, or it will again form the new mycelium. This is in the case of rhizopus or in the bread mold. Now we finish this topic, that is asexual mode of reproduction. I think students, you just go through all the videos of this asexual reproduction. From the starting onwards, I suggest you should go from all these type modes of reproductions, that you get cleared with the asexual mode of reproduction. Because from the next class we will start with the sexual reproduction. In the next class, first I will taught you how the sexual reproduction takes place in flowering plants. So thank you for today. I am telling you, just go through all the modes of asexual reproduction and revise this thoroughly. Thank you.